This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Only select sellers who maintain a high-performance bar may offer certified refurbished products on Amazon. Bundle includes Xbox One S 500GB console, one Xbox wireless controller, with 3.5mm headset jack, HDMI cable, 4K capable, AC power cable, 14-day Xbox Live Gold trial. With Xbox One S, watch 4K Blu-ray movies, stream 4K content on Amazon, Netflix, Hulu and Microsoft Movies apps. Experience richer, more luminous colors and video with high dynamic range technology. Play over 100 console exclusives and a growing library of Xbox 360 games on Xbox One. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly, just like new. This Xbox has brought me so much joy. It runs very smoothly and never bugs out or anything. It's in perfect quality and I've noticed no flaws. Controller works great, connected within seconds. The games I've played have brought me so much happiness, and the online feature that comes with Game Pass is great to play with others. Very happy.